Stream on it. No more jet engine. Facts, yeah.
On enemy assets. Grab the bomb or clear the AO.
Imagine trying to be. Oh fuck! God damn it.
Wait, can you guys laugh as well, Wheezer? Is that possible? Dude, I can't do that.
What the?
Oh damn!
No,
the one.
I
Sniper's
respect the game. Shut the fuck up, pussy.
You guys are not good.
Goddamn, shut up.
search and destroy.
I'm sniping.
He's gonna use it.
Hell yeah, Wheezer.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Can you shut your goddamn whore mouth, Lucifer?
That's not.
I just killed a woman on the other team.
Hey, have you? Oh, dude, just died right there. Hey, have you? OD.
They're behind.
I swear SBV. Oh.
I wish I'd constantly pump water through my throat. Maybe then I'd be able to do the voice longer.
I get nice.
Darn it, you're something. And then you pull out overkill, bro. You're running overkill. It's 2.5-year-old game and you're sitting in your spawn.
It is actually 3 years old.
Learn how
It is 7. Dude, I can't do it now. My voice is gone.
trying to do it.
I am starting to lose it.
Bomb is in play. Protect the carrier.
Dude, I'll never be able to do it.
Yeah, just like Jesus.
Care package arriving on station.
Has explosive Jack 12, a little loser, dude.
Oh, imagine sitting in your spawn.
No!
Imagine sitting in your spawn.
Imagine sitting in your spawn. Get back in the kitchen, you fucking bitch.
Good lord.
Assets identified.
Carl Wheezer's sexist.
Go make me a sandwich.
Fucking me. I thought that was fucking fireside, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Look at my double kill with RPG. There's still one there. B. He is right now watching Bob. He's defusing Bob. Or, not defusing, planting Bob.
Ah, fuck.
Left on target.
B.
Nah, shit.
Fuck.
Taking the advantage. Make sure we keep it.
Shut the fuck up, man.
We're all streaming on Twitch TV. I'm sick too, so this is like not helping.
It's not healthy.
No, it's not.
It's fucking not healthy at all, bro.
The Carl Wheezer gods do not like me. Shit.
What the fuck?
Shit.
What was that? He just like died in the sentence.
Jimmy's mom. Ah, I must do the voice for as long as I can before I lose it for good.
God damn! You show what's up. Holy fucking shit.
Want a bite of my croissants?
You wanna bite of my fat cock? Oh.
Maybe I do.
Stim at him. Throw a stim.
That's it, lads. On to the next round. Get ready. Search and destroy.
I'm gonna go super.
I'm gonna go Super Saiyan.
Thank you.
Call me. Yummy.
I'm gonna go Super Saiyan in Jimmy's mom.
I'm gonna go
Mom.
Super Saiyan in your ass.
Bad bitch.
Make me a sandal. Dude, I'm gonna go to Subway and say that.
Oh my god.
Make
order
me a fucking sandwich. Can I have extra pepperoni on that one, please? Oh.
And I. No, not again. I almost threw up, dude.
I hit you with a shotgun. I'm so sorry.
You are going
gentle.
nine. No, dude, I can't.
Nice
I
shot.
can't.
The voice change.
I actually can't,
Just
dude. My
goes from
throat's
like,
gone.
What's up, motherfuckers?
What up, bitch?
Search and destroy.
We go from like.
You guys wanna play some Minecraft? Do I even say? Dude, I definitely don't sound like Charlie. Dude, I can feel like the strain in my throat.
Imagine the guy that got paid to do that.
Probably could do the voice easily because he was a vocalist.
Be advised. Friendly for
We're just some. I'm just some random dude trying to try it. My throat. Nah, dude, I can't. We're having this fun.
God damn.
Got him. Quick scope. Quick scope. Quick scope. Oh.
Quick scope with RPG. Quick scope with RPG. Hey, you ever see it?
Where did Hank Hill come from, bro?
I'm gonna go down to Taco Bell and get a ball.
Damn it, Bobby.
God damn it, Bobby.